Zhongan Electronic Detection Technology Company Limited is located in Zhengzhou, capital city of Henan Province, which is also the cradle of Chinese civilization. Henan Zhongan is an ISO 9001 certificated manufacturer of gas detection and measurement instrument, with around 200 serving staff for product research and development, manufacturing, marketing, and after-sales services. Among them, there are over 40 senior engineers and technicians, with complete manufacturing technique and professional production line. The annual output around 2 million sets gas devices. For our sound quality control system, we have been producing over 100 kinds of gas detection and measurement device and sales to about 50 countries of our production. 1 million sets in last year to China, US, UK, France, and other areas around the world. All of our customers speak highly about our product for its excellent performance. Currently, we have developed various types gas detecting devices such as gas detector, gas analyzer, gas alarm controller, flame detector, dust detector, alcohol detector, air breathing apparatus, etc. The products have obtained international certificates such as CE, SIL, and National Fire Protection Product Approval, National Measurement Apparatus Operative License, National Explosion-Proof Electrical Certificate, and so on. Apart from these, we can also customize related devices per customer's request. Your satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. You are welcome to use our products. For any requirements or cooperation, please feel free to contact us.